Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing with you an easy, delicious pickle recipe. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this literally 5-minute mango pickle recipe. I'm using some basic ingredients here. I have taken about 2 raw mangoes and chopped them into small pieces like these. I'm using store-bought mango pickle masala and using half a cup of that. It's really nice and tasty. I like my mango pickle to be little sweet, so adding 1/8 cup of sugar. Sugar is optional. If you like it little sweet like me, you can always add it or you can skip it altogether. This store-bought mango pickle masala already has methi seeds, hing, salt, chili powder and turmeric powder, so it's really handy. Looks good. Now I'm going to heat up some oil, about a cup, and once the oil is hot, add mustard seeds. Let them crackle well. Next we are going to add some hing, about a teaspoon, and also let it crackle well. We are going to let this oil cool down a bit. Now we are going to simply pour this oil over our pickle mixture. Since this pickle will be stored for few months, the amount of oil that we have used is little more because we want to make sure that the top layer of our oil, as we mix it, we have enough oil on the top and the whole pickle mixture kind of is at the bottom just like that, so that our pickle doesn't get spoiled. In my case, this pickle got over literally within few weeks. Hope you have enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to share your valuable feedback.